Hi there, superstars. It's Magi Helena. Today, let's talk about how to know if someone is your soulmate using astrology. I'm the only woman and one of only two certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the U.S. and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to predict relationships. Before we start, please subscribe right here on YouTube and click the bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos drop. So, you've met someone interesting, really interesting, and now your mind is full of questions. The main one being, is this it? Is he or she the one? Have I met my soulmate? Like the rest of us, you probably don't love uncertainty. So you might look to astrology for some answers. Does my sign match with his or hers? And you get some not very clear answers. Or you get an answer but you doubt it because it's based on such generalizations. So you may end up more confused than ever. If you want to know the truth about how to identify your soulmate, write Real Soulmate Truth in the comments below. Well, the good news is there is a way to know if you've met a potential soulmate using astrology. A way that's not too unclear or too general. A way that's really specific and personalized. A way that was discovered by statistical comparisons of tens of thousands of charts of both successful and unsuccessful relationships. Here's what all that research has discovered. The real way to know if you've met a potential soulmate is to look at the minor planet Chiron. Chiron is the arrow that points to your soulmate. Research has proven that Chiron rules true love, committed relationships, marriage, families, and children. Before we go forward, let me say that there is not just one soulmate for each person. There are many, many potential soulmates for everyone. So how do you know if the person you've met is one of your potential soulmates? Potential soulmates are shown in soulmate linkages and soulmate geometries when you compare two birth charts. And soulmate linkages and geometries always include Chiron. Soulmate linkages, also known as romantic superlinkages or RSLs, must always include 3 planets total, one of which is Chiron. There are very specific rules for soulmate linkages. You can get all the details in the link below. Soulmate linkages are a sign that you feel connected on a deep level, that you feel like kindred spirits or family already. Soulmate linkages indicate that you may marry, and the more soulmate linkages you have, the more likely you will marry. Using Chiron, you can also tell if the feeling is completely mutual. The more times you are the Chiron person in your soulmate linkages with someone, the more invested you are in the relationship and the higher your hopes. In my love reports, I call the Chiron person the hopeful person because that's what they are. The Chiron person is the one with the high hopes for the relationship, the one who feels most at home in the relationship. So it's best when each of you is the Chiron or hopeful person about the same number of times across the soulmate linkages you share. It's most out of balance when one person is the Chiron person in lots of soulmate linkages and the other person's Chiron isn't found in any soulmate linkages at all. How many soulmate linkages can a couple have? Some prospective couples have 0. Others can have a lot. Lauren Sanchez and Jeff Bezos have 8. Each of them the Chiron person in 4. This is great. It's a high number of soulmate linkages and an even balance in being the Chiron or hopeful person. Gabrielle Union and Dwayne Wade are another couple with a high number of soulmate linkages and closely balanced. This couple has 9 soulmate linkages total, with Gabrielle the hopeful person in 4 and Dwayne the hopeful person in 5. Jennifer Lopez and Alex Rodriguez also have 9 soulmate linkages, also closely balanced. Will soulmate linkages guarantee happiness? Sorry to say, but no. Soulmate linkages are the first and necessary component of a soulmate relationship, but they are only one component. Happily ever after needs compatibility too, and compatibility is measured by other metrics than soulmate potential. So to really understand the likely outcome of a relationship, there are other things to look at besides Chiron. To learn how to figure out your soulmate linkages yourself, check out the links below, or you can get an instant report to tell you your soulmate linkages, Chiron balance, compatibility, sexual linkages, and lots more, also with a great coupon, also below. If you like this video, please click like. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe here on YouTube for more astrology videos, and please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for info about your personal best and worst timing for love, more astrology lessons, how to understand your relationships, and more. I hope this video has shed light on a super important topic, how to identify your soulmate using astrology. Wishing you forever love.